All right, lines are clear. Pilot, are you ready to descend?
Pilot's ready.
Let's start coming down 15 meters a minute, and Winch will do the same.
Pilot copies.
The environment at GFOE is extremely welcoming. The people here want to teach you something, which is very nice.
There's a lot of getting how design impacts like actually handling with the ROVs and how different objectives and different depths have so many different requirements for the components to make sure it's still safe and functional.
And also you can see like with the actual blade.
We're starting to move into more like projects. I'm working on an assembly right now for some high schoolers, just like a little demonstrator.
Almost half of engineering employers feel like applicants are unprepared for the workforce because they're lacking the professional skills like team building, leadership, problem solving, critical thinking. And these are the skills that can make a really good engineer great.
Another very important skill that I'm learning here is how to work with people. I get to lead certain smaller projects. It's a lot of good communication.
I haven't really done a lot of work on robotics or ROVs, so learning about like the engineering and like the design and the maintenance that goes into them, it's a really good experience and really fun to get my hands on.